one of the coolest animals, I think, that exists in the animal kingdom
Yep.
is the mantis shrimp. They have one of, if not the most complex eyes on the planet. They can see a range of 12 colors, whereas humans can only see 4. That's a pretty cool fact. What really gets me about the mantis shrimp, what really fascinates me, is that they have the fastest punch on the planet. Fastest punch on the
Right.
planet. How fast? As fast as a something caliber magnum. So like a pistol. As fast as
Wow.
as fast as that. So yes, their arms are like this, but there's a special spring action that allows them
Okay.
to kind of
Spring-loaded elbows.
spring-loaded elbow punch, not just punch. There's 2 types. One type has a club,
Yeah.
and that's why I think it got deemed the fastest punch. But the other type is it's a claw as well.
Oh, wow.
Now
Like a spike.
the ones that have the claws, that's great for hunting and spearing fish. The ones with the clubs, these things can break shells. These things can break snail shells. These things can break hermit crab shells. Other
Wow.
crabs as well. They will use these clubs to rip apart limbs. So
Holy moly.
hectic. Really, really incredible
How
predator.
big are these shrimps?
Tiny. Like,
Yeah.
like,
Okay.
yeah, this
That's bigger
big.
than I
Maybe
thought,
only,
though. Like,
yeah, maybe only as big as your phone, something like that.
okay.
But
Far
quite
out.
small, but highly, highly effective predator with their cool eyes that they can see the different colors and be able to hone in on prey. But then they've got this crazy fast punch. Um, but that's not the coolest thing. The coolest thing is their punch actually has strong enough force that it creates not just a mini shockwave because of how fast it is, but the point of contact where they hit their prey, they create these little things called cavity bubbles. So tiny little air bubbles, but because of how fast their punch goes, it generates heat as hot as the surface of the sun. Momentarily, just a fraction of the time, but that punch hits the surface of a snail shell as hot as the surface of the sun. And if that wasn't enough, the shockwave that I spoke about earlier, that is also a thing too. So they've just got some magical weapons up their sleeve.
They are like a third
Crazy.
level Pokemon card, these guys. They
Yeah,
have it all
next
going
next
on.
level, mega evolution. I don't know where Pokemon's at now, but they're like whatever Pokemon is, just add on an extra couple levels because they are the ultimate. They are the
This
ultimate.
is happening in an ocean near you. Where are these guys found? Is it Australia? All
Yeah,
over?
all over.
Oh, wow.
Hang around coral reefs a
Punching
lot.
people out everywhere.
Um, I really hope not. That's a mighty burn you
It's
get.
actually not sharks we've got to be worried about. It's these mantis shrimp. They'll
Yeah,
jump right
yeah.
on top of your surfboard with you.